Good afternoon, YouTube. It's your boy Brandon back here again with another video. I think this video I'm gonna describe myself a little bit. You know, are you new people seeing as I'm a new channel and all? I give you guys a little update on my life. I'm a 27-year-old. Yes, I am a truck driver and I also enjoy riding freaking bikes. You know, yeah, they're fun. I got the Harley, the 883. Right now it's got a 600 R6 Yamaha. Recently I just crashed the bike, so that bike's out of commission for a while, so I went and bought this. You know, going from a sports bike to a cruiser bike, such a big difference. I know you got different riding position, gearing's different, and the cruise is different. On a sports bike, you're more hunched over, you're in a tuck position, and it's all about speed. Or this thing, I'm cruising at 40 miles an hour, you know, and I'm enjoying life. Granted, you guys can't see my face, but I got a big giant smile on. You know, regardless on, you know, if it's a cruiser, sports bike, touring bike, it doesn't make a difference. It's got two wheels. You know, you're still going to be happy with it. You know, you see people that have certain preferences, which, cool. You know, but all that matters is the ride. It doesn't matter what you drive, how old it is. It could be outdated from the freaking 60s. You know, as long as you enjoy yourself, that's all that makes a difference. You know, you ride responsible. I mean, it doesn't make any difference at all. You know, pretty much ride what you want to ride and ride how you like to ride. You know, I went down 3 weeks ago now. I destroyed my bike, and that's when I got this Harley. And granted, I heard all the things, people ragging on Harleys and all this shit. But you know what? It's not that bad of a bike. You know, it gets me from point A to point B. I mean, the motorcycle is not my only form of transportation, so that is a plus. But you know, it's a hell of a ride. You enjoy it. You become part with the bike, which is crazy. You know, especially the Harleys, they're just so, I don't know, they're so put down in so many ways. You got sport bike riders that don't like the Harleys. You got Harleys that don't like the sport bike riders. It's, I don't know. Enjoy what you want to ride is pretty much where this is going. You know, I think it's Chase on Two Wheels that says ride positive. You know, stick to that. Or it's enjoyable. Fucking no turn on red. I should just turn on red. You know my luck, I'll get hit by one of these fucking idiots. You know, it's such a beautiful day out today too. But yeah, I'm a truck driver. I got kids. I'm only doing this to see what I can do. You know, I'm new to this whole YouTube stuff, and you understand I'm not gonna grow overnight, but you know, if I grow a little bit and people like what I put out, you know, I mean, we'll see where time takes us. You know, I'll keep putting out content. You know, I'll keep showing you guys around where I live. You know, I live in Western New York, so there's always tons of stuff going on. You know, like yesterday, I went to a dog show down in Dunkirk, New York. You know, they got a whole bunch of different festivals out here, and it's a nice area. Granted, though, winter sucks, but out here we're getting hit with 2, 3, 4 feet of friggin' snow, and shit sucks. Extremely bad. It sucks. Hey, look at the puppy. Puppy. He's gonna chase the bike. I don't know if any of you guys took the MSF course, or I don't know if it's the same in any other state, but here in New York State, we have the MSF course, so you can waive the road test for your motorcycle license. All right, and one part of the course, it goes, what do you do if you get chased by a dog? Well, now mind you, I got dogs at home. My Cocker Spaniel will chase after a motorcycle. She'll chase after a pedal bike, which is funny as all hell. But you touch her, she runs scared shitless and pisses herself. But anyways, there's a part in the MSF course that says, what would you do if a dog chases you? Or gives you a multiple choice answer. Freaking one's do you stop and let it get you? There's the second one is you slow down, you let the dog catch up, and then speed up. The one is you slow down enough where you can kick the dog. Me and my wife, we joke every time, that the slow down to kick the dog is the right answer, but it's really not. It's to slow down, let the dog catch up with you as much as possible, and speed up. So this way you're able to get away from the animal or without hurting it. I don't condone any violence against any animals. Let me put that out there right now. It's just a simple joke between me and my wife, that we find funny. Because freaking only here in New York State they put some shit like that on the test. Or if it goes to show how fucked up our state is. Yeah, and just so you know, this might be a couple part video, and YouTube only allows me to put out 15 minutes for every video, so I don't know how long this video is going to be. It might be a 2-part, might be a 3-part. I have no idea. I don't know. I'll take you guys down by the water. We'll get some nice shots of the bike. I just shined and waxed her, and she's looking pretty. Extremely pretty with the blue. It's blue! I probably should slow down. Speed limit through here I think is only 30. Doing 35, 40. Yeah, fuck them. Yeah, out here in New York State, they're not supposed to chase after motorcycles. But, they still do. People still get fucking hurt. That's another thing. Freaking, I won't run from cops. If a cop throws his lights on, I notice, I'm pulling over. You shouldn't. Granted, freaking, you can hurt yourself or hurt someone else. And especially being on this thing, you have no seatbelt. Freaking, I mean, my dumb ass, I know whoever does watch this video is gonna give me hell. Freaking, I don't got no jacket and I got a cut off shirt on. No, I did not learn my lesson. Freaking, I've fallen. It doesn't feel good, but it is what it is. Last time I went down on a bike, I was wearing a pair of shorts, a pair of sneakers, and a fucking cut-off t-shirt. I'll post pictures right here, freaking on my leg. I mean, it wasn't as bad as it could have been, which granted, I did get lucky, but I was on a side road, lost control of the bike. Freaking sucks I didn't have the damn GoPro running when I did. But, shit happens, I guess. Policia. See, there was a good friggin' shot right there. Like, yeah, look at that. And my black icon helmet, my head is fucking roasting. I thought it was smart to get a black helmet. I have no idea. I will say I've had this icon helmet for 2 months now. 3 months. Freaking, I love it. It's the Icon Armada. Chevrolet. Chevrolet. However the fuck you pronounce it. But it's an amazing helmet. You know, I'll give Icon, you know, props for this. You know, they got their shit right with this helmet. You know, the airflow was perfect in it. You know, you're getting just the amount, you know, right amount of airflow. Now I got the Icon Alliance GT. And I hate to say it, but yeah, Icon really fucked up with that helmet. It sucked. You know, you don't got good airflow. You know, I'd be sweating my ass off in that damn thing. And it fucking sucked. That's why I freaking went. I didn't even have the helmet for a year. You know, then I decided to say screw it, and I went and bought another one. And if freaking anyone that rides bikes knows these fucking helmets ain't cheap. They're fucking expensive. Look at that. Look at there's the water. Let's see if we can get to the other side. Hey, think they'll give us some balloons? If I go over there and ask, he'll give me a balloon. Hashtag balloon live. I think this is the Erie Canal. I don't even know if I'm still fucking recording. Well, we're gonna be... fuck. Here we go. Look at that. Let me see if I'm recording. I can't even tell. Yep, we're 11 minutes in. Look at that. I don't know. The area I live in, it definitely has its perks. But, I mean, hopefully, if everything works out the way I want it to, this year, probably not this year since summer is almost over, but I'm gonna be moving down south. This way I can ride this thing all year round. You know, like, see, that's what my dog would have tried doing. It would have fucking ran after a car or a motorcycle. And I'm sorry if this camera angle is all sort of fucked up. I think I got it right there. Or if I don't, I apologize. Yeah, you know, living up here, it has its perks and it has its downfalls. You know, the downfall is definitely the frickin' winter. Yeah, winters suck up here. It's cold. You know, yeah, I think I'd rather frickin' live down south. And my whole plan, you know, frickin' if everything works out like it should, yeah, move down to Florida. You know, the sun, palm trees, hurricanes. Yeah, I love it down there. It's so beautiful, and yeah, I've been down there multiple times, and every time I regret coming back. But you know, I kind of have no choice. I got family up here, so that's what I said. Yeah, maybe next year, maybe the year after. I don't know, but if something does go off with this YouTube channel, trust me, I'll do my best to put out content during the winter. I'll figure something out, one way or the other. Yeah, I will make something happen. Yeah, I know out here in New York, there's a lot of snowmobile trails, especially down towards like the southern tier of New York. You know, we can always try doing something like that over the winter. I mean, I've never been on a snowmobile. But yeah, there ain't no harm in learning. You know, I've been on four-wheelers and dirt bikes and motorcycles, and I'm pretty sure a snowmobiling ain't different. Or maybe it'd be a little bit funner. But, you know, yeah, we'll see what happens. Look at that little fucking manly dog. He's got a little teacup chihuahua. Yeah, I don't know. I don't understand that. The fucking big dude, little tiny ass freaking dog. Come on, light. Change. Alright everybody, I think I'm gonna end this video right here, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Have a good day and ride safe.